Hello, back at Glenlair. The sun is out and we are in the heat of summer. So the cocktail for this is our Citrus Sundowner. This is one of my personal favourites. Anyone who likes their ginny, citrusy type cocktails, this is for you. For this drink, we need our lovely Seville Orange Gin. This is a marmalady gin, absolutely beautiful. Ginger wine, pretty gingery. And our Lime Vodka Liqueur, pretty limey. You'll also need some tonic water, and we're going to use our favourite tonics, the Walter Gregor's tonics. You're going to need some fruit. Choose citrusy fruit, so lemons, limes, oranges, tangerines, that sort of thing. They can all go in there. And you're going to need plenty of ice. And hopefully a bit of sun. But we're doing well so far with that. You can make this as a small drink, or you can make this into a big jug for friends, family, and a sort of large-scale barbecue. So, let's give it a go. So start with your ice. Just be generous with ice. We want lots of ice in. Then add your Seville Orange Gin. We want a single measure of each. Ginger wine, and lastly some lime vodka. Now we want to chop up some fruit and add that all to the drink. Our Citrus Sundowner is ready. Bring on the rest of the summer! Cheers everyone! That is fantastic. I think I'm feeling younger already. Here's to many more lovely barbecues. Bring back the fun, everyone, with the Citrus Sundowner. You're going to need some fruit, a little bit of fruit. You could use, whoops. You're going to need some fruit. Citrus Sundowner is ready.
You sound like in Game Plan where Dwayne Johnson is like,
I can
today is, you know, like, I know you just like
the Citrus Sundowner. The Citrus Sundowner is ready. Bring on the Barbie. This is the summer we wanted.